Hello friends, welcome to my new channel Course to be a Billionaire. All men and women will be thinking of how to become a millionaire, how to become a billionaire. So being a billionaire is more than having a bunch of zeros in your bank account. Investing capital may be to some, but it is not a barrier to become a billionaire. Working from a life of little of nothing to living in the lap of luxury is the classic American dream. To become a billionaire, create opportunities, invest wisely, and retain wealth. Now my channel will be yours, only yours. Why? Because I will show you the theory of how to become a billionaire. This is the theory, my friend. Only 2000 some people in the world to become a billionaire. So this is a process. I will teach you that how to be a billionaire, how to be a first millionaire, then billionaire. So stay with us and subscribe my channel for further detailed video about how to be a billionaire. So started the journey of a billionaire. We have created some videos. I think I will be produced some of 100 videos to teach you that how to be a billionaire. Now today I will explain how to create a billionaire, how to be a man or billionaire, how to be a woman in the billionaire, or how to be a billionaire family. At first, creating opportunities. The number one point is creating opportunities. You will be study hard. Normally, billionaires don't happen by accident. Be a billionaire by studying interest rates, tax brackets, and dividends. Study finance and entrepreneurship. Learn to identify consumer needs, then develop business models to fulfill those needs. Currently, computer science skills and new technology are lucrative careers. If you have not heard, already STEM jobs like science, technology, engineering, and math are going to be on rise and are already in the rise. Taking STEM classes to be able to increase your chances of getting a job in the future, as well as there are fields in which the paycheck is almost no limit. Read about successful billionaires, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, or John Huntsman. Sir, be wise with money to amass more. So, you will be study hard. The number one point is study hard. Number 2 point is save money. It takes money to make money. Use part of your income to generate wealth. Set aside of a specific amount of money from each payback and put it in a savings account to collect interest and use for further investments. Decide what percentage of earnings to spare, as it is as only $20 payback will make a difference over 3 or 4 years. Invest into the market only the money you can afford to lose. Number 3 is start an individual retirement account, means IRA. Available from financial institutions, IRA are customized financial plans set up to save for the future, to save $1 billion. Start savings as soon as possible. Interest occurs on savings. Depending on the financial institution, a minimum amount of money may be required. Initially, research options and talk to financial advisor. Number 4 is pay off your credit card debt. It's hard to get ahead with debts hanging overhead. Student loans and credit card debts should be paid off as soon as possible. Average annual percentage rates vary between 20% and 30%. So the balance will be continued growing. Number 5. Make a 5-year plan. Estimate how much money to save over 5 years. Decide the best way to use money, whether it's investing, starting a business, or allowing money to collect interest. Keep finances a priority. Write financial goals down and refer to this regularly. To stay interested in financial projects, write reminders and put them where they will be seen every day. For instance, on the bathroom mirror or the dashboard of your car.
Buy real estate. A common way to make money is investing in real estate. Property may gain in value over years and may provide a good return on investment. Investment can be flipped, rented, or developed. Beware of investing during an artificially inflated market and make sure the monthly mortgage is easily affordable. It would be a good idea to read about the 2008 subprime mortgage crisis in the United States to learn from cautionary tales. Invest in business. Starting your own business or buying into one can be a solid way to make money. Create or choose a company that offers a product or service that you would buy yourself and put time and money toward improving it. Learn about the industry to differentiate good and bad business investments. Investing in green energy and computer technology may be a good plan for the future. These businesses are projected to grow over the next decades, so investing now may be a smart investment. Buy and sell stocks. The stock market may be a good place to increase wealth. Watch the market carefully before buying and pay attention to which stocks are successful. Be informed to make smart purchases. Most stocks appreciate over the long term. Ride out small dips in value and take occasional risks. Dividend reinvestment plans (DRIP) and direct stock purchase plan (DSPs) bypass brokers and commissioners may buy directly from company agents. These are offered by over 1,000 major corporations invest like as $20 to $30 per month. Fractional shares of stocks can be bought. For a beginner investor, index and passive funds are good place to start. This way, you get familiar with the stock market but don't need to manage your investment yourself. As time goes on and you get experience, you can put small portion of your income set aside for investing into passive funds, active investing, CFD trading, margin trading, option trading, and then pick and choose whichever you like the most.
Open money market accounts, MMS. These accounts require a higher minimum account than regular savings accounts, but acquire twice the rate of interest of savings accounts. High yield MMAs are somewhat risky. Withdrawing the money and affecting its investments are limited, but it's a good way to allow money to grow by doing essentially nothing. Number 5, invest in government bonds. Bonds are interest certificates issued by government agencies like the Treasury, which offers no risk of default. The government controls the printing presses and can print whatever money is required to cover the principal. So these are relatively safe investments and a good way to diversify your investment. Talk to trustworthy broker and consider a bond buying plan over to diversify your portfolio. Part 3 of 3, Maintaining Wealth. Consult good broker for advice. Money is as good as the advice received. After accumulating a considerable amount of wealth, nobody wants to spend time huddled in front of a monitor watching stocks change by fractions of a percentage. You are going to want to be out living while. Good. Trustworthy financial advisor and brokers will work to keep your account swelling with excess funds. Number 2, diversify portfolio and investments. Don't keep money in one place. Diversify your portfolio and invest in stocks, real estate, mutual funds, bonds, and other investments recommended by brokers to modify risk. If a risk investment in somehow absorbent towels ends up tanking, at least you have still got a considerable amount of money in other ventures. Number 3, make smart financial decisions. The internet is full of penny stock schemes and get rich quick come that preys upon the ignorant and seduces gullible people into making bad financial decisions. Do the research and commit to a lifetime of investing and making money. There are very few exceptions to become an overnight billionaire. When in doubt, be conservative with investments, diversifying money wisely, letting interest acquire and riding fractioning markets. Will be smart decision in the long run. If anything seems too good to be true, be careful. Never act too fast and always analyze the situation. Number 4, know when to get out. At a certain point, knowing when to pull out of an investment before it collapses from under you is essential. You have surrounded yourself with smart brokers, listen to their advice, but also know when to listen to your gut. If you see the opportunity to sell big and make a profit, do it. Profit is profit. If their stocks ends up appreciating the next year, you have still made money that you can reinvestment elsewhere. Number 5, act the part. To be a billionaire, act like one. Mingle with moneyed and cultured people. Pick up advice and knowledge from the experienced. Cultivate interest in fine art, fine dining, and travel. Consider buying a yacht and other standard trappings of the wealthy that are unaffordable. There is distinction between old money and new money. New money is a derogatory term of people who have gained wealth quickly and like ostensibly spending and living a lavish lifestyle. To hold into wealth, learn from old money and ascend the sphere. So, now the end of my video. There is no specific age to start to be an investor. Mr. Warren Buffett started when he was only 7 years old. So, you tell me, how can I become a billionaire quickly if I am young? This is a simple answer. Work hard and connect with people who have money. They may introduce you to investment and job opportunities. Then you will ask me, when starting my own company, is it better to do so on a national level or international level? Often it's better to start a company on a national level. When your company gets big enough, you go international. So this is the root of a billionaire. This is a process. It's a long process. So now my video should be ended because the first part of my how to be a billionaire or course to be a billionaire will be started in next. I will show you the top universities of the world to study for career opportunities. Then you will thinking about millionaire. Stay with us and things that how to be a billionaire or how to be you will be billionaire. Goodbye and good night. So friends, how to become a billionaire, you will be shown my video. Please like and subscribe my channel because I will be shown the next episode, world's top universities for creating opportunities to become a billionaire.